Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover Epic Games account without email. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there's only one way to go ahead and do so. You want to simply open any browser that you prefer using, and this is where you want to simply go ahead and search for Epic Games support, just like that. Now you want to click on the first link. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page. Now, all you need to do is simply describe your problem to this little AI. So let's just say account recovery without email. Now, once you do that, it is going to go ahead and help you out on how you can do that. You can simply go ahead and click on yes, and then click on have you submitted a request? I'm just going to click on no. Now, simply go ahead and click on yes for the recovery. Now, you want to simply go ahead and click on this link that it is going to go ahead and give it to you. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter the email that you used to create the account with and click on continue and follow the prompts to go ahead and recover your account. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.